alaikum. My name is Amina Syed, Programs Officer at Islamic Relief Canada. We're here in Brutsanak, Bosnia, at the site of one of Islamic Relief Canada's project. This project is focusing on improving the livelihood of poor and vulnerable Bosnian families through empowering women. What we're doing is we're setting up raspberry plantation sites for 47 different families, focusing on female-led households. And what we're trying to do is they have the land, so what we're trying to do is empower them by giving them the tools they need and the knowledge they need to grow raspberries. Raspberries are known for being successful imports in Bosnia. Bosnia is known for importing raspberries to the rest of Europe. The project guarantees at least 3,500 euros per year for the family, which is enough to survive in this area of Bosnia. We have met with one of the beneficiaries. Her husband is a survivor of the Srebrenica massacre in 1992, and they've lived in very difficult circumstances. They had no income prior to this project, so alhamdulillah, they're very, very grateful for this project. They're showing much gratitude, and alhamdulillah, we're very thankful for your support.
Selam alek organizaciji Islamiku i svim donatorima koji su donirali povratnicima ove maline u podrinju opština Bratunac, Srebrenica. Ja sam Hadžija Ibrahim Ibrahimović, živim u Pobuđu, mjesna zajednica Konjević polje, opština Bratunac. Vratio sam se 2005. godine sa svojom porodicom, sa vrijednom hanumom i mojim sinovima. Jedini izvori primanja su nam poljoprivreda, što proizvedemo, ako se uspijemo, snađemo i prodamo. Hvala svima, svim dobrim ljudima. Bujrum u svako doba dođite, trudimo se, mi radimo i borimo se. Allah će nama dati na faku ako Bog da, inšallah. Selam alejk svima.